here to do a ballroom dance, which they have called the Dance of Love. This is the rumba. Huh?
Let's now call on again the graceful
Miss Marieta La Puebla. Huwag mo nang tanungin. Pero alam niyo, I don't know if you can see it, pero dito sa backstage, I can see their faces. Yun yung talagang feel na feel nila yung kanilang routine, kaya naman tamang-tama yung tinawag nilang dance of love, ano?
Tignan natin kung naantig yung damdamin ng mga judges.
Ayan, sige.
Let's start with the female in the group. Judge Rina.
Hi ma'am, talagang nakita sa inyong dance number. We love you. Di sasabihin ko mga kaya, the audience loves you. You love dancing. Thank you. Wala na akong sabihin pa. Congratulations, well done.
Thank you, Judge Rina. Judge Team.
Nakakalungkot, no? Kasi ito na pala yung huling performance, no? Naantigin ng dami namin, tumaas yung dugo namin. So, kumakaw na naman ang kaseksihan ng mga kaguruan. The twirls and dips were well executed, no? Beautiful man, no? And of course, you exude sexiness. You're smoking. Hindi na kailangan ng smoke machine for your performance, actually. And you exuded confidence. The audience simply went wild. Congratulations.
Thank you, judges.
And lastly, Judge Jay.
OMG. Sobrang galing, sobrang galing. Feeling ko kapag inaabot ni Ma'am Marieta yung kamay niya, parang tinatawag niya ako. Sobrang nararamdaman ko yung drama ng performance nila. And yung flexibility ninyo, ma'am. Grabe, yung mga stretches mo, yung mga lifting. Galing, ha? Excellent number. Congratulations.
Dance partner, Angel Santos.